Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of July, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of July, 2025, our system has categorized UnitedHealth Group as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.88. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. Currently, it reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. The stock currently resides in the midst of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further declines within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 21.99% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 44.03% and negative 9.06%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of negative 38.85%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fall between negative 53.84% and positive 10.41% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $129.74 and $310.33. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group features the headline, UnitedHealth Group stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Friday trading session. On the last trading day, the price of UnitedHealth Group stock increased by 0.89%, rising from $278.58 to $281.06. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.18%, with a daily low of $280.03 and a daily high of $286.13. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall decrease of 7.58%. The trading volume also dropped, with 4 million fewer shares traded, totaling 16 million shares and approximately $4.62 billion in transactions. It's important to note that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $630.73, while the lowest was $248.88. Currently, the price is 55.44% or $349.67, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group, or UNH, is facing significant challenges as it prepares for its upcoming second quarter earnings announcement on the 29th of July. The company has moved the timing of its earnings teleconference to an earlier slot, likely in response to mounting pressures related to rising medical costs and a federal investigation into its Medicare billing practices. This Department of Justice scrutiny is shaking investor confidence and could lead to a steep drop in profits for the quarter. Recently, UNH's stock has declined over 4.76%, reflecting concerns over these pressures, while competitors like CVS show more resilience. Analysts suggest that the market is nervous about UNH's outlook, which may hinder its share price recovery in the short term. Long-term impacts could be more pronounced if the company fails to navigate the Department of Justice investigation effectively or control rising operational costs. Investors are closely watching how UNH addresses these challenges and what guidance it provides during its earnings call. With heightened scrutiny and potential profit declines on the horizon, the stock may remain under pressure until there are signs of stabilization or improvement in its financial performance and regulatory standing. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 17th of July, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned UNH a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of July, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned UNH an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned UNH a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned UNH an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned UNH an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, May 15, 2025, and so far, it has risen 2.45%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may influence near short-term development. The UnitedHealth Group stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $284.31 and $301.20. A breakthrough above either of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 49 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 69 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 64 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $278.58, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with favorable trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.10 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.18%. Over the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 2.5%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $4.94. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $291.91. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group encounters its first support level at $278.58. If this support level holds, it might present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of July 2025, Hensley Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 198 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, Flynn Timothy Patrick conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, Hooper Michelle J. conducted an insider purchase of 173 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, McNabb Frederick William III conducted an insider purchase of 294 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, Noseworthy John H. conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 94.390. Overall, insiders acquired 873,925 shares and sold 11,097 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $268.50, reflecting a decrease of 4.47%. This stock exhibits medium daily price fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 48 days ago. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? Currently, UnitedHealth Group displays several negative signals, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it is advisable to regard it as a hold candidate, meaning one should either hold their position or accumulate more shares while monitoring for further developments. Our analysis has been updated from a sell recommendation to a hold. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of July, we anticipate that UnitedHealth Group will open higher by $1.34, beginning trading at $282.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is essential not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.